Lot number 1105 is a 2018 Ford Explorer with 51,000 original miles. This unit has a transmission problem. It's a great looking vehicle. It's got the nice 5-star wheels. It's got the side steps. It's got the nice headlights. It's white in color. The paint is nice. Good looking vehicle. Very nice. Very clean inside. Tan interior. It's a 4-wheel drive unit, and it makes a clack 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 noise when you put it in drive. When you go in reverse, it reverses fine. It's going forward is where it makes the noise that doesn't sound good at all. It's got a full-size hitch. It's got the nice wheels. The tires look really good. It's all-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. And it's got the selector switch depending on the terrain you're driving on. And it has a nice straight body, very clean vehicle. Definitely worth fixing the transmission, and you have a 51,000 mile car. And it's a 2018. It has a great year, good mileage, and it's in great condition. Look at these seats, nice, no rips, no tears. Look at those seats, the dash, the door panels, beautiful two-tone, very nice with the nice metal insert. Looks very nice. Carpet floors. Here's the 4-wheel drive knob to adjust the knob. 51,062 miles. The motor sounds great. The AC is blowing ice cold. Let me open the back. The seats are down. It's got let me see, it has third row seating as well. Look at these seats. Just dirty, but they're nice, in very nice conditions. They're just dirty in the back here, but the headliner is nice. It's like a black headliner or a dark brown. Nice color combinations. The door panels are nice. Here are the seats in the back, like new. The panels look good. This is a nice truck. Definitely worth fixing the transmission. I'm going to see if I can show you what it does when I put it in gear. When I go in reverse, it's fine, but when I go forward, it's the problem. Let me show you the engine. I recommend you tow it out of here. Don't try to drive this. It's got a nice engine. Idling nice and smooth. Body straight. Look at that. The battery is charged. Motor is nice and dry. Let me put it in gear and show you what it does. That way you'll understand me better. Okay, here we go. You hear that? Now I'm going to go in reverse. Reverse is fine. I got no problem with reverse. My problem is going forward. Oh, reverse, doesn't make that loud noise. It just does some jumping. But it does go reverse easier than going forward. Okay, I'm going to go forward. Ready? Here we go. That doesn't sound good at all. Sounds terrible. All right, so the motor's good. You got transmission problems. The cosmetics is good. Nice truck, 51,000 original miles. Definitely worth fixing the transmission, and you got a good car. Hopefully you can get it at a good price. Good luck.